Hey everyone, Carlos over at bareboardtraders.com. Here's my trading recap for today. I had a very clean day on these four stocks, which were all on our watch list after this morning, a pre-market watch list. So I was very clean this morning. It did this dip under the VWAP. Then it created this engulfing pattern, which was my signal to jump in for the long a move. But then also here, I noticed this candle was perfect. When I saw this candle here make this push here off the VWAP, that's when I got in. I didn't wait for the 935 candle because this to me was a strong signal that the buyers were in control. So I jumped in. The stock made a newer high. Took profits out. It stalled a little bit, so I took some more out, and then I took some profits out as it made newer highs. Very aggressive on the profit taken today, and that's probably because of what happened to me yesterday with IQ. So I came in knowing that I was going to be aggressive. Once I took some profits out here, I left some just to see if it will go any higher. It didn't. It hit this moving average, and I completely stopped out and took the rest out. So a very clean pattern. We've seen this pattern before, actually, on MU back in May. We had the same pattern where it dipped down below the VWAP. Once it cracked the VWAP, I went long and was able to take advantage of that move. One of the questions I get a lot is, how do I know that this is not just a regular pullback? And I don't know. The answer to that, you never know what the market is going to do next. But I just look at the risk to reward. This was a stock where the price actually was you can manage your risk a lot better than you could, like, for example, on Play, and we'll go over that stock. But this was a opportunity where I saw the risk to reward was in my favor. So I don't know that it's going to bounce back down. I don't know that it's going to bounce back up, but I have my plan in place. So if it does go up, I'm going to execute my scaling out of profits. And if it doesn't go my way, I have my stop loss set up right under the VWAP to take profits. So again, just as new traders, that's one of the hardest things we have to do, is understanding when we're going to stop out and executing our stop loss. So that's the only thing you can focus. You cannot worry about anything else. And if you decide to wait for confirmation after confirmation that your strategy is actually happening, you're going to be getting into the trade here. And now this is not a good risk to reward. Okay, so don't get too hung up on understanding 100% where the stock is going to go to, because if you do that, then you're going to hesitate to jump into one of these trades. The other trade I had was on Play, and I'm glad it only took 800 shares here. On I actually took only 2,000 shares. I should have taken more because, again, here you can manage your risk better. As you can see the price action, you're moving between 10 cents, not 50 cents. Unlike Play, in Play, you can see that the price action was a little crazy at first, but I did like that it was trending under the VWAP. It started losing it here, and then it kind of stalled here for a second. So I got in short and took profits immediately once it made lower lows. I wanted to hit this moving average here. Oops, take that out. I wanted to hit this moving average here because I found this from previous days or previous pre-markets where that was the low. So that was my target. The minute it was hit, I took the profits out, left some, and then took the rest over here just to make sure this doesn't pull back on me, because the risk here was very high. This was about a 40 cents move. This is another 60 cents move, so you want to be very careful. All right, guys, so that's my trading today. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon.